Renee Zellweger is a famous Academy Award-winning American actress. The small-town girl became famous for her breakthrough performance in the movie Jerry McGuire opposite Tom Cruise. She is presently one of the top actresses of Hollywood. Early life. Renée Zellweger was born in 1969 on 25th April. She was born in a small town in Katy, Texas. Her father was a mechanical and electrical engineer who was a descendant of a noble Appenzell family. She went to Katy High School and the University of Texas. To continue these studies, she had to work as a waitress. Personal life. She was engaged to actor Jim Carrey from 1999 to 2000. In 2003, she went on a public relationship with Jack White. She married singer Kenny Chesney for a short period. After 6 months, the couple got separated. Zellweger started dating the dashing Hollywood actor Bradley Cooper in 2006. They bought a 4-bedroom house in California. They separated in 2011. Presently, she is in a relationship with Doyle Bramhall II. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 25 April 1969, Renée Zellweger is 53 years old as of today's date, 21st May 2022. Her height is 1.63 meter tall and her weight is 53 kg. Career. When she was in Texas, she appeared in many low-budget movies. Her career changed in 1994 when she appeared in the movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Next Generation, a horror film. She separated on coming-of-age movies like Reality Bites and Empire Records. She became known worldwide in 1996 with Jerry McGuire. Awards and achievements. She won Critics' Choice Movie Award for her movies Jerry McGuire and Chicago. She won a Golden Globe for her movies Nurse Betty 2000 and Chicago 2002. She also won a Satellite Award for Nurse Betty in 2000. She won Screen Actors Guild Award for Chicago in 2002. She won many film critics awards like Dallas Fort Worth Film Critics Association Award, San Diego Film Critics Association Award, and Southeastern Film Critics Association Award. Net worth and salary. As of May 2022, this famous Hollywood actress has a net worth around $65 million. Her famous role as a Bridget Jones in the movie Bridget Jones' Dairy made her charge $15 million per movie. According to IMDb, her salary in Bridget Jones' Dairy was $37.5 million. In 2003, for the movie Cold Mountain, which eventually provided her with Oscar, she charged $150 million. The chunk of her net worth comes from her work on television and mostly in movies. She has a Mercedes E63 worth $88,000. She also owns many luxurious cars like Range Rover, Jaguar, and Bentley. She is an actress as well as a producer. Her income is supposed to grow by around 65% over the next couple of years.